A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is cosmic harmony, aligning the human mind with universal intelligence. Ladies and gentlemen, the human brain is a universe in miniature. 86 billion neurons forming a living constellation of thought and light. It weighs little more than a kilogram, yet it composes music, solves the mysteries of the stars, and reflects on its own existence. Ancient seers spoke of a cosmic intelligence that permeates everything. Modern science reveals a brain whose rhythms echo those of the cosmos. When this inner cosmos moves in harmony with the greater one, life attains a quiet brilliance felt across age, culture, and belief. Nature has entrusted humanity with a mind of boundless adaptability. Its capacity to learn, heal, and create is not fixed. It rewires itself every day, shaping the character and the journey of each life. Physical vitality, mental clarity, emotional balance, spiritual awareness, and aspirational drive form a single grid of energy. When these five currents remain balanced, thought and action gain a natural rhythm, like a perfectly tuned instrument. Every idea leaves a trace in the neural fabric. Repeated thoughts become habits. Habits grow into character, and character directs destiny. In this way, the brain quietly writes the story of a lifetime. Meditation, rhythmic breathing, focused learning, or even steady music can guide brain waves into synchrony, a process now measured as entertainment. What sages practiced through mantra and silence, science records today as gamma and theta activity that steadies the mind in both calm and challenge. Solar cycles, planetary magnetism, and the daily turning of Earth influence human biology. Ancient traditions gave these forces poetic names: prana, chi, the breath of the universe, reminding that the brain is not only a generator of thought but a receiver of subtle signals. The brain itself grows like a tree. Branching networks reach upward toward light, while hidden roots draw silent strength from deeper soil. With time, it blossoms in wisdom, courage, and compassion, offering fruits meant to nourish all life. When the mind matures into giving through insight, love, and service, it discovers its natural state of luminous generosity. In that flowering, the human and the cosmic meet, and the true potential of human DNA finds expression through the power of a resonant mind. What's the way forward? Daily habits can nurture this harmony. Quiet moments of meditation or deep breathing to attune inner rhythms, balanced care of body and senses to sustain the five-fold energy grid, lifelong curiosity and creative learning to keep neural pathways alive, and intentions that reach beyond personal gain, inviting a purpose as wide as the sky. These are gentle practices through which the brain becomes a bridge between the individual and the infinite. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, when the small universe within resonates with the vast universe beyond, life takes on a serene radiance, clear in thought, steady in emotion, and rich in compassion. The Bhagavad Gita voices this timeless truth in Lord Krishna's words. For one who has conquered the mind is the best of friends. But for one who has failed to do so, the mind will remain the greatest enemy. To befriend the mind is to let it sing with the music of the cosmos. In that gentle resonance, human potential unfolds without effort, and existence itself becomes a quiet celebration of the eternal. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.